It was good, bro. Hey, I heard you in Cali now. Hell yeah, Survivor. I hear you gonna need a whip. When you get one, just hit me up. All right, peace.
Oh! Hey! What are you doing? Oh, come on, I just bought it!
Watcher. Radio station, 187.4 FM when you're down.
Fucked with the wrong person. Yo, made me down first right now. Bring the homies.
That's right, y'all. Doing it to your doggy style. On 187.4 FM when you're down. Whenever you're bold. Things just ain't the same for gangsters. A lot of fake MCs, punks and wanksters. R&B niggas wanna G niggas. I tell you, Jam, I'ma have to go and see niggas. And pay you peasants a visit. My presence up in it. And it won't be no pleasurable visit. See, I'm a reputable with it, just skeptical with it. I'm professional with it, you get it, you got it, you shoot it, you shot it. Plotted from the get-go. I'm the only West Coast nigga to get love on the East Coast. And swing it back down to Detroit and Chi-Town. Motherfucker, how you like me now? And I'm not the little one, I'm the big.
Don't shoot my bike! Get off! Get off!
But every year that I got people I know who got people they know. So I suggest you lay low.
I'm still on top of the game, still dropping flames, still cocking aim, still at the top, at the rock for the fame over setbacks. It's been a lot since I came. You seen it all, how I got, how I gained the momentum when it dropped, how I got through the pain. I roll the shot, they watch me proclaim a spot for my name, straight. Haters wanna stop to my reign, but the music lives in me.
Are you serious? What do I pay you for?
What are you bringing me this piece of shit for? Look at this thing, it's all fucked up. What are you, some kind of poser? Only squids like that shit. This thing's gonna need a fucking shit ton of work. I don't know if there's much I can do for you, man.